All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part two. The topic is describe a skill that you learned from older people, grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, anyone that you learned. Learn is second form of the verb, it's past tense. So please, over to you.
Well, having a skill, uh, having a skill is good thing. It helps us to achieve our goal, give confidence and motivate our life. In my life, I have learned various skills, and they are very beneficial for me. But there I would like talk about a skill that I learned for my grandfather. My grandfather has a hobby of gardening and planting new plants in my home. Uh, uh, in my home. Uh,
All right, fluency and lack of ideas. That's the main thing. Whenever you have the topic, you need to write down some points and then try to discuss those points one by one. Then it'll be fine. Otherwise, this time you did a lot of and you started very lazily. Initially, you spoke a little, then you started thinking. So it showed that you came here without preparation. And preparation is only 1 minute preparation. Topic is there, write down some points, take a look at first point, speak on it for around 20-30 seconds. Take a look at second point, speak on it. So you should have pencil in your hand, topic in front of you, and a small chit of paper where you write down your ideas. Then it'll be fine. You need a lot of practice, okay? Now let's go on. What can old people learn from young people?
all people can learn from young people about smartphones,
Hmm.
about uh,
Come on. You usually perform well. What happened today? Someone has broken your heart?
no sir,
Oh, sad. No?
no,
Have you broken someone's heart?
no sir.
No? So then what's the reason? Just try to speak actively, energetically. Put some attention here. Give attention to IELTS, okay?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Inshallah, there'll be very good things for you after IELTS.
Yes.
Before IELTS, no. Right?
Yes sir.
Okay. Thank you.